faints for the courts of the Lord, for the courts of the Lord. My heart and my flesh cry out for the living God. Blessed